Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collapsible text in Wix Editor. This is a handy feature that can help you manage content more effectively on your website, especially if you have a lot of text to display but want to keep your pages looking clean and organized. Let's dive right in. First, open your Wix Editor and navigate to the page where you want to add collapsible text. Once you're on the correct page, head over to the left side of the editor and click on the Add button. This will open up a menu with various options for you to choose from. Scroll down and select Interactive. This category includes a range of options, but today we're honing in on boxes. In the Boxes section, you'll see a variety of choices that are collapsible in nature. Pick the design that best fits your style and the aesthetic of your website. Drag and drop your chosen design onto your page wherever you want it. As you place it, pay close attention to how it aligns with other elements to maintain a seamless look. Once the collapsible box is on your page, it's time to customize it. Double-click on the text within the box to edit it. Here, you can enter your own content, whether it's a detailed FAQ or an informative article. Focus on providing valuable information, since collapsible text is a great way to include lots of details without overwhelming your visitors. If you wish to link any of the text or include a call to action, highlight the text and use the text editor to add links as needed. Since we're thinking about user experience, let's make sure that your collapsible box is easy to use. Click on the settings icon of your collapsible box and play around with the options. You can choose to have the text collapsed or expanded by default, determine whether your visitors can collapse previous sections as they open new ones, or configure the animation that occurs when the box is opened or closed. This feature can add a nice, dynamic effect to keep users engaged. After setting up your collapsible text and fine-tuning the design, take a moment to preview how everything looks. Click the Preview button at the top right of the editor. This will show you what your collapsible text looks like from a visitor's perspective. Ensure that everything functions as it should and that the content is readable and well presented. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, click Publish to make your changes live. Visitors to your site will now see the newly added collapsible text section, neatly organized and readily accessible. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your website's functionality and aesthetic. And there you have it. You now know how to add collapsible text to your Wix site effectively. Feel free to experiment with different designs and settings to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in creating a more streamlined and professional website.